So it's been a little while since I've caught up on anything. The markets are closed, so this would be a perfect time to figure out where all of my positions are at, what kind of drawdown I'm in. Currently, drawdown is at 2,200, 2,300 almost. It's 2,295. So I'm going to round it up to 2,300. If you've watched any of the other videos, I was actually at 2425 at some point in time. So I've actually decreased the drawdown. Now, here's the kicker. The kicker being my balance is $4,757. So drawdown's been decreased, account balance is going up. So even though I'm sitting in roughly half of that for drawdown, uh, the account balance is going up. So if you're looking at hedging and you're like, hedging doesn't work or hedging is costly, it can be, but if you do it right, it's also pretty nice. What's pretty nice about it? I might not be making a lot overall, as I continue to just slowly grow the account. But one thing that it is doing, it's keeping my psychology in check. It's very, very smooth and easy to just relax and place trades, knowing that even if I'm wrong, I'm just going to get hedged and I'm going to work myself out of them. And I can work myself out through working with a profit overall. Overall, it may take some time, but it's going to be profitable in the end. Is this the quickest, fastest way to grow an account? No, not at all. Is it consistent enough where you're making money and you can see stuff like this grow and you don't have to worry about certain things here and there? Yes, that's the beauty of it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to keep track and try to figure out where I am at. All of my red on the right, those are all the ones that are currently unhedged. There's pending positions out there for them. The Euro GBP, the green one, is the only one that is hedged. The NZD CAD and the NZD CHF are, I think they're currently unhedged as well, but they're actually unhedged in a position that I'm testing moving forward. So if you've followed the Forex hedger, where I've gotten this hedging process from, he's tweaked his strategy a little bit, the process to increase the win rate, and I've enjoyed it quite a lot. And it is definitely I've used it in tandem with trimming and squeezing, whereas he's removed that for this new system, and it's more just let it go and run. So I'm doing both in tandem, which is this just the beauty of the creativity that you can take as a trader to find whatever works for you. This is like you are both a mad scientist and an artist at the same exact time. And you just need to figure out what works for you, your personality, your risk tolerance, your lifestyle, your account size, like everything. Everything has to be fine tuned and tailored to you, which is why if you're searching for strategies, you more than likely can't just grab anybody's strategy and run with it. Why? Because it's just not set up that way. You have to get in and get the experience all on your own. You have to get in and put the time and effort in to see what is working, what will work and what won't work for you. So right now, I'm just going to run through and figure out where I am at and how I'm sitting with this. So we're going to hop back out to the 1 hour, and it looks like so this is unhedged. The last time I was negative $96 in drawdown as of December 20th. This is odd CHF. Currently, I am this current position where it's at right now is actually in negative $82. Now, granted, that would go up if price decides to turn around on me by Sunday or Monday, whenever I check on it. If price doesn't continue falling away and turns around on me, that drawdown is going to go up. So can't really mess with that. And this is where it's like, okay, so there's a few of these I can't really touch because they're not hedged yet. And so I don't even know what the actual drawdown is. So odd USD, currently it is at 409, where it sits right here. So if it still comes down here, that's going to increase a little bit more risk. Okay, I'm fine with that because eventually I'll be able to shave it off. Even if I have to take profits from some of my other profitable trades to shave it off just to help ease that drawdown, I can do that. So it's not really that big of a deal. Euro USD for this one, same thing. I am waiting for price to come through here. Last time I was in about $500 of drawdown back on the 19th. Currently, I'm sitting at a little over $500. It says it's 281 plus 231. So 510, $515 ish of drawdown. So where that went, not exactly sure. Um, I don't even know, but who cares? I'll figure it out. NZD USD is the same thing. We were at 608 before on the 19th. NZD USD is currently at, I have a 454 and a 116, so that's a 570. So I've actually trimmed off 30 bucks on this one. NZD USD, yeah, four, yep, 570. So yeah, trimmed off about 30, 40 bucks on this one. If it comes down, that might be about even, about where it's at. I don't know. We'll see. USD CAD. USD CAD. This was one that I wasn't I was trading differently. And so we were at 438 before. It looks like I am currently at, there's like a couple different positions here. 72 plus 6, 78. That's a 80. That's a 2, I'll say 210. 80 plus that's 290. There's 390, 470. 470. So there's been about $40 additional risk to that one. And I'm currently still open on these trades. So we'll see what Sunday rolls around for this one. Euro GBP is the one that I actually can mess with at this point in time. We were at a position drawdown of 178 before. This has been decreased. Let's see what we're at right now. And Euro GBP, it's a 23.29 and a 565. So I'll say 24 plus 6, 30 bucks. So 30 bucks as of 01, what is it? 03. All right. So that's how we've, well, decreased on that one. Almost 140 bucks, almost 150. NZD CAD. This is another one that is currently unhedged. So can't really mess with that one. And then this one, NZD CHF, currently unhedged. I can talk about the eights though, just the 0.08 positions because, oh no, I guess they're the same still. Are they still the same? 43? Let's see. NZD CHF. There's a 38 and a 6, so 44. So it's still about the same. The only thing I have is that extra position that's here, which I don't actually have marked out. I'm still trying to figure out how to actually annotate that without getting so confused on on which one I'm doing and which one's working. If you're seeing all of these position sizings here on these right here, that is the other style that Chad has put together, and it's worked really, really well. I think Euro USD is the only one so far where I have been, I got hedged on a position and had to take the other position, which I've cleaned up, cleaned up and got rid of. But that's been the only one where it's like, okay, I'm currently hedged. I think I'm 90% sure that that's accurate. Yeah, I think so. So overall, that's that. Things been going pretty good. Like I said, drawdown is $2,300. I have a balance of 4,700, almost 47. Well, I'll say 4,700. 4,700. If I were to completely close out right now and just liquidate everything, my equity balance would be $2,400. So it's grown because I think I was at like 21, $2,200. So I've made about 200 bucks in the past week or so, a little over a week. Let's see. According to this, 154 over the past week, over the past month. MT4 is being slow. I don't know if it's being slow because market's closed or if I just need to restart MT4. Let's go take a look. MT4. All right, last month. Okay, so last month, 67 bucks. Last 3 months says $1,200. So it's been I would say green, but on MT4 it's blue. So I'm blue. I'm in the blue for the past 3 months, month, and week. And today I'm up 47. So still in the blue. So blues all the way around. And I'm just going to continue rolling with this. If you'd like to just figure out where to get started, or maybe you just need some guidance, some counseling, some encouragement, hop on Discord. We'll have a chat there. I try to share as much as I can. Understand though, a lot of the work's going to come from you. So just put in the work.